We actually are just getting in now a statement from the White House. Michael, I want to ask you about it. It's the acting Attorney General, Sally Yates, according to the White House, this is the statement as I'm reading it, has betrayed the Department of Justice by refusing to enforce a legal order designed to protect the citizens of the United States. This order was approved as to form and legality by the Department of Justice, Office of Legal Counsel. Ms. Yates is an Obama administration appointee who is weak on borders and very weak on illegal immigration. It's time to get serious about protecting our country. So it goes on to say, tonight, President Trump relieved Ms. Yates of her duties and subsequently named Dana Boente, U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, to serve as acting Attorney General. Michael, what do you make of this news? A fast development, considering it was just a couple of hours ago, really, that we heard from Sally Yates, the then acting Attorney General, that she was not going to uphold President Trump's executive order.
Well, and I just said that she should be fired. So obviously, President Trump is watching CBSN right now.
That's clearly a logical deduction. Absolutely.
No, I mean, God forbid we drift into public policy and things, but when President Obama, after years of saying, I don't have the authority to change the immigration status of people or to change immigration law to affect millions of people over the heads of Congress, when he changed his mind, if the Attorney General of the United States had said, I'm sorry, Mr. President, you can't just do that, I'm going to keep enforcing these laws, he or she would have been fired, and rightly so. People win elections. Elections have consequences. If Congress had approved Jeff Sessions by now, the Senate, then Jeff Sessions would be doing the will of President Trump. If Democrats want an Obama appointee to be the Attorney General, they should win the White House, and they can have one. And that's how it's supposed to work. And I know that this can be presented as some kind of repeat of the Saturday Night Massacre from the Nixon era, but this is very simple. In fact, Ms. Yates owed it to her conscience and her country to resign if she really can't do her job, and now she will not have that opportunity.
Yamiche, your thoughts on this development?
I think it's really no surprise that she's been relieved of her duties. The minute that she gave that order and the minute she said that she wasn't going to be instructing the Department of Justice to carry out this order, to defend it, she knew that her days were numbered, or her hours were numbered in this case. I think this was really an Obama appointee saying, you know what, I'm not going to just toe the party line. We're not even the party line, but I'm not going to toe the line at all. And you're going to have to get someone else to do your bidding. So I don't think this is at all a surprise.
All right, Yamiche Alcindor and Michael Graham in Washington, my thanks to you both.